Let me show you how to create a clean and powerful mega menu in just a few minutes. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left side menu, click on Content and then select Menus. Now click on Create Menu. Give your menu a name, I'll call it Test Menu. Next, start adding menu items. Add your first label and link it to the home page. You can add as many items as you want based on your store needs. For example, add another label and link it to a specific page. You can also link menu items to search results. Now let's organize this into a mega menu. To create a submenu, simply drag a menu item slightly to the right, under another item. Once everything looks good, click on Save. Now go to Online Store. You'll see your current theme, for example, Trade. Click on Customize. On the left side, select the header section. On the right side, you'll see different settings. Look for menu type and change it to Mega Menu. Then select your newly created test menu and click on Save. Now preview your store. You'll see your mega menu in action. All your menu items, subpages, and content are now neatly organized. Click on any item, and you'll see everything working perfectly. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And for the complete step-by-step written guide, check the blog link in the description. See you in the next video.